I'm Roger, and this is my second update on customer service regarding this Creality Ender printer. Purchased it through Banggood. Was shipped to me. I put it together, and there's a video on that. The day after I put it together, it stopped working. The main board failed on it. So I posted a case to Banggood, where I purchased it, and Creality. Got no response from Creality at all for quite a while. I finally did get a response back from them, and they agreed to send me a new main board through Banggood. Now Banggood is waffling. I'm having a real problem with them. First they wanted a video of it not working. Okay, that's brilliant. So made them the video and sent it to them. Well, then they wanted me to shoot a video of attempting to reload the firmware in both the main board and the LCD display. I've done both with no result. That's because the main board doesn't work. So the latest one now is they want me to check the nozzle. Well, I've already done that. I've already checked wired connections, and I've done the unplug and reboot and all the other things that one would normally do, and they are still waffling on it. Now they want to know what the temperature is of the bed. Well, the bed doesn't heat up because the main board isn't any good. So what I finally have done is I've disputed my credit card charges. So instead of them sending me a $30 main board or whatever it actually costs them, they're going to get hit with a $35 back charge right off the get-go here. And whether they send me an RMA to send this back, because I'm certainly not going to pay to send it back. So we're going to have to see where it goes from there. But here's the update. You know, we're going on 3 weeks here, and I still have a non-working printer. And although Creality came through and said they would replace the parts through Banggood, now Banggood is waffling on it. And I've purchased from Banggood in the past and had no problems with them, but I can absolutely say I will never buy anything from them again, nor do any type of business with them. And regarding the printer, yeah, I probably should have bought it off of Amazon. That way, they'll take anything back. I mean, you can buy your wife some fresh flowers, and then when they die, you can send them back and get a refund. And I know because we sell plants through our e-commerce business, and I know how that works. So it's a buyer's market there. The buyer is protected. The seller is not really protected. It would have been $20 more on Amazon, and as I said, I should have probably done it that way, and then I could have just sent the damn thing back. But that's my second update on customer service. I don't really fault Creality at this point. Now I'm faulting Banggood. And I'll probably get this up on social media too. Don't do any business with Banggood. They're just no good. I'm Roger. Thanks for watching.